Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Crossword Collage challenge hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. And it's really not a challenge, she said, but it's just a fun thing to do. The only thing we have to do is use a crossword puzzle, put whatever words we want, and we can choose whatever theme we want. And since tomorrow is Father's Day, that's what I chose. I have got, in my words, I've got love, Papa, leader, dad, respect, head, God, and father. So I want to do this to honor the dads out there. So I hope y'all enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. Well, I'm doing pretty good. We've been getting a good bit of rain, and I think there's supposed to be some more coming. It's muggy and hot. Let's see here. I want to do this. I've got these Saturday evening posts, which I thought would be fun. So I kind of want to lay it, I think, out like that. And I just picked a few things that I thought dads might like. My dad liked a boat. We used to go fishing and skiing. We lived on the Tombigbee River. Okay, got that. And I think I'm just going to tuck him back here. Something kind of like that. And let's see. I've got a few more cars and a motorcycle and an airplane. I think I'll put that here. Something like that. And I'll put this somewhere like that. All right, I like that. I've already got everything inked. So let's get started. Well, my husband and I are still watching Blacklist, and it's really, really good. I think we've started season 4 or 5. I can't keep up. We've been binging right through it. I like James Spader, and he does a good job on this. Only bad thing is you're rooting for the bad guys. Okay. And myself, I finished The Outlanders. So now I am watching The Crown. And it's been pretty good. I've always been fascinated with English royalty. I guess most of us Americans are, because we don't have that. I don't understand how it all works. Find it fascinating, especially Queen Elizabeth II. Okay. Sorry about that. My phone storage was full. I forgot to check it. But I don't think you missed anything. I heard it ding or whatever when it cut off. Okay, so let's see here. I forgot what I was talking about. I know I was talking about The Crown. I like it. I like the Blacklist. Other than that, it's not a whole lot going on. Okay. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs. And be sure and check out all the other people that's doing. I don't think there's a hashtag anymore for this collage. But it's fun to do. I like to collage. And this is sort of a freestyle. Do whatever you want. Sometimes it's easy to come up with an idea, and sometimes it's not. But I know, if you have your dad, be sure and, because tomorrow is Father's Day for us here in the United States, and if you still have your dad, don't take him for granted. Be sure and let him know you love him, because I sure miss mine. Miss my mama too. My mom would have been tickled with YouTube. She was a crafter. That's where I get it from. She would have been tickled to been able to go and watch all these videos. I didn't have it when she passed away. All right. Well, there we go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye, y'all.